couple force show. First we show a Bernoulli's theorem. When we on a fan, we can see there is a velocity is high and pressure velocity is high, but pressure is low. Below the fan is the pressure is high. Therefore, we pull up initial state.
Okay, fine. Murtaza, what is a couple force? Define it.
Sir, couple force are two equal force with same magnitude but opposite in direction, applying which has distance as well. Like sir, this you are seeing that there is couple force opposite. There are two motors opposite. They are opposite in their directions, but they have distance as well as same magnitude.
How they are producing a coupling force?
How are you?
I am asking him how it is producing a coupling force.
Like sir, sir, यहाँ पर
You have to talk in English.
Alright sir. Couple force sir, like a motor is giving a pressure from that side and that one from this side. And sir, it's on that upper wing and he's from downward. Then sir, from that way.
I'm not asking you. You tell me, because it's a syndicate, everybody should know this. Tell me how the couple force is applied and what makes this aircraft rotate.
When motor start, this fan applies pressure in this wing and this wing. So he rotate in a circular path, showing couple force.
This is not correct. आप बताइए.
There are two forces acting on plane. They are cancelling each other, therefore its resultant of force is zero. But there is a couple, there is a torque produced because torque is product of force into moment arm. This is one force and moment arm. That's why it's rotating.
But how that force is created? Because you are not directly applying the force. There must be a reason.
Let me explain. When plane is in a horizontal direction, when we start fans, because there is Bernoulli theorem applied. Velocity is high.
Yeah, please, आप लोग keep quiet. I don't want anybody to speak. Excuse me, can you keep quiet?
Here velocity is high, pressure is low, and here velocity low, pressure high. And there is also atmospheric pressure applying on it. Therefore, the first this plane comes in this direction, and then one force pressure is applied. Pressure equal to F upon A, force up per unit area. Area is constant. Therefore, pressure is equal to force we are applying. This air pressure here and that motor's air pressure and on that fan.
And how does it come down? Because of gravity or what? Why does it come down?
He come down gravity and restoring force. Some
It's a
restoring
coupling
force.
force.
Coupling force.
So, how it's initially started?
Initially it started because of Bernoulli's theorem. Now there is no force directly applying on the plane. When we start motors, here velocity of air is high but pressure is low, and here velocity is low but pressure high. Therefore, and atmospheric pressure is also applied on this plane. That's why this start, and similarly on the lower fan, velocity is high, pressure low initial, and atmospheric pressure is applied. Therefore, it starts from this. Now force is applied
On the couple force.
couple force.
What are the other applications of coupling forces? I'm asking him, your time is gone.
Bicycle is another application of couple force, and steering is as well. And So many coupling forces.
And
Nano.
can you see any application in this one? Look at the top. Fan is another example of coupling. Oh, thank you.